80 animals.
Duck.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you doing with this class? You're learning a lot about animals. This time we will learn about a kind of bird, the duck. This is a duck. It can swim very well. Are you ready to learn some words?
Webbed. Look at the frog's feet. They are webbed. Webbed feet have a piece of skin between the toes. Animals with webbed feet can swim well in water. Some birds have webbed feet, and they can swim in water. Waddle. In the picture, you see a duck. The duck's bottom moves from side to side. The duck waddles when it walks. Can you waddle? Feather. This is a feather. Birds have feathers that cover their body. So, a bird can keep warm in winter thanks to its feathers.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Webbed. Waddle. Feather.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
Look at the picture. Ducks are swimming. The two little ducks are ducklings. A duck has webbed feet. It swims well using its webbed feet. A duck has short legs. It waddles on land because of its short legs. Some ducks live in the wild. Some ducks live on a farm. Farmers raise ducks to get their meat, eggs, and feathers. What are their feathers for? It is for winter clothing. Duck feather jackets can keep your body warm. What does a duck use to swim? Its feet. Its wings. What do we use duck feathers for? To get meat. To make clothing. What is true about a duck? Its baby is called a duckling. We can only see it on a farm.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.